Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about HTTP action. It is usually used for a REST API or, for example, to work with ChatGPT or Gemini API via HTTPS protocol. When we designed this action, we wanted to make life of our users easier. So we made sure that it is not really necessary to use any other third-party tools like Postman or Bruno for development or debugging. Let me demonstrate. So here we have the action properties. We can define various parameters such as method, can be get, post, patch, etc. Then we can do URL, body type, authentication type, user password. We can also save response into the file. And here's all the file name. Then we have request tab. Basically, request tab is used for debugging. So what you can do here, you can press this button and it will actually run HTTP request and go to our website and download the history changes. Let me show. So it is running, and as you can see some statistics here. Then if you click on raw format, you can see the actual file. We also see the status, how long did it take, and response size. We can also define headers here. This is just example. Or we can send authentication parameters. And you can also set the method. Let me run a package. It's all downloaded. And here's our file. Let's delete the file because we don't need it. Okay, I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please like and subscribe. And as usual, if you're confused, have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum and we will do our best to help you. Thank you and bye.